DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, you know. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang, you see me I do today. Yeah, man, we there with another reaction. We there with none other than the lab boss, you know. Yeah, man, the one named Bwoy. And the one that was actually requested by one of our Dan Mafia members, you know. Yeah, man, MKS SNS. You see me? No, MKS NS. You see me? I say big up yourself, G. Yeah, man, it's a request to 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 boy. Say been on repeat. So I'm guessing 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 slid on this bitch, which you know Labas always sliding on his tracks. You see me? I say, you see me? I say that full of me, you know. I kill lyrics, flow and style and them thing there, you know. So big up Labas, definitely one of the best in the game, you know. No joke, you don't know, better find out. Yeah, man. Go back in the lab today, gang. You don't know road to 10K. Before jumping in the track, you don't know do the right thing. Code is life. Hit the like and subscribe button. You see me? I say, do the right thing, man. You see me? I say, but you can't that, man. You see me? Road to 10K, road to 100K, road to 1 million. You see me? We trying to hit 10K before the end. You see me? Before my birthday in January. You see me? I say, gang, so do the right thing. But yeah, man, today we're there with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Bwoy. We're gonna check it out. You see me? Yeah, MKS, I request the one hard, so I'm guessing it's gonna be hard. So I check it out right now and I'll hold up the vibe much longer. Remember, I know this is 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐍, so I've put on your listening ears. You see me? You know, say, you know, some amount of years now I've put on the listening ears. I have to look out and see what's going on. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐍 Bwoy, let's get it. Sharp done, big up at themselves, let's get it.
Artists, me see them try offer. Any day they ramp with me, then they fuck.
Man, say what try off any day they try for the lab boss. Yo, ATL, the video look like he shoot this when he shoot the song. You know the song ATL. One more reveille ATL. Look like I see him visual. When he dog there, Jaja, dog there look like so. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this look like I see him settings, man. Come in.
Sharp done, what you talking about? Should be careless all if I crowd. Be a dog, listen to my dog, them a soul. Me up in night town, no hardly come out.
So what they talking about? Pushy K, that's all if I in a crowd. Ah, boss, why you gonna start the thing off like that, man? Come in, man. We have to take it. Come in. Right the top. Labas. Rifle boy. Cook on. Yeah, man, that's how we do it up here. Hey, I want to tell yourself.
Sharp done, what you talking about? Should be careless all if I crowd. Be a dog, listen to my dog, them a soul. Me up in night town, no hardly come out.
Be a darkness and my dog, them a soul, you know. We up in now the town, no hardly come out. Hey, what on there? What on there? What on there? What on there? I squash it down at your word for. Hold on there. Weird. Don't tell me say man I throw it after each of this whole time and me I miss it in already. Me ashamed of myself now. If I that a go on, I apologize. Me told all you hotel, just I enjoy this. Weird. I squash it down, I send you what for me things say man squash. Hold on there, no man. Weird. I definitely weird. No damn, if I go back in a minute. Oh, Jambisco, what you do? Yes, we are coming.
Sharp done, what you talking about? Should be careless all if I crowd. Be a dog, listen to my dog, them a soul. Me up in night town, no hardly come out.
Hold on, we have this side for this dog. What you talking about? Should be careless all if I in a crowd. Be a darkness and my dog, them a sort. Which means him they're not. Which meaning could be talking South Florida. Which meaning could I tell us, say, yo, we have dog or so. Weird. I hope I know that I go on in a dog. But definitely, nobody can say. The dog say, we up in our town, them hardly come out. I feel squash that dog. Yeah, man. Yo, well, yeah, yo, me see what I go. Yeah, man. But anyway, we can enjoy the tune. No speculation. Go on. Let's get
me up in night town, no hardly come out. Brawling a road, clip full of tile teeth and a soul scone. Head up, pull up port more. Yeah, we shot him, make him eyeball, touch him nose hole.
clip full of I know soul school, brother. Come in.
Dead, boy, dead, boy. Cut it talk in a murder we enjoy. Fuck it talk in a murder we enjoy.
Hey!
Dead.
Hey! A murder we enjoy, brother. I like the enjoy.
Fuck it talk in a murder we enjoy. Fuck it talk in a murder we enjoy. Dead,
Boy.
dead,
Boy.
Rifle we employ. Dead girl and dead.
Rifle we employ you to want you. Hey! Hey, you step in. Step
Rifle
in.
we employ.
Yes.
Dead girl and
Dead
dead
boy.
Them are no wicked boy, yo. One done walking like till the chips spoil. One la bossy K and a with style.
Man, a wicked boy. One down walkie keep spoil, brother. Hey!
Chips spoil. One la bossy K and a with style. Which boy can't this dog and a live nice? Shoulda buy a car, they deny him drive. Oh, you feel
Which dog can this and not live nice? You're bright. You're bright. Hey, weird. The man, them all have similar video too, you know. Squash, you know. Dog, they run them crew. You see me, I say. They run them crew. And they are squashing the house, you know. Rotate. I see a move. Weird. You can't clarify for me one little crew and thing, dog. Yo! The man, them have similar video. Check out squash video them from there and check out Candy Club video them from there. Two of them have similar video. Same settings on the dogs, them. Nah, little ray. I see a bumbo clean. There's a penny.
K and a with style. Which boy can't this dog and a live nice? Shoulda buy a car, they deny him drive. Oh, if you say you're bad, you rubber fish fry.
Yeah, boy, what boy can't this live nice? You should buy a car with that and then you hey, come in.
Don't see who
Bomba.
follow big side. Kill them bare face, leave them bother these guys. Maro, Pamo, Wallaby side.
Yeah.
Boss with some food, when swallow with fries. If that
Tomorrow the palm Wallaby side, brother. Bombo clean, dog. Yo, nobody on the toothbrush alcohol. You get that out, come in.
side, kill them bare face, leave them bother these guys. Maro, Pamo, Wallaby side. Belly boss with some food, when swallow with fries. If God could have seen.
Hey man say yo, do it brawling brother, no disguise dog. Be a marrow the palm Wallaby side. Bossy in belly. See food where it's swallow with fries.
I know this time.
Yo! Boy! Boy!
Cut it talk in a murder we enjoy. Fuck it talk in a murder we enjoy. Dead. Why? Dead. Why? Rifle we employ.
Woof. Oh, clean. Easy now, man. Look, I got the and it's bombo clean. Come in.
Talking about.
Nah, 69.
That's all if I crowd. Be a dog, listen to my dog, them a soul. Me up in night town, no hardly come out. Brawling all what? Clip full of tall teeth and a soul comb.
Full of tall teeth and a soul comb. Come in, man.
Head up full of
Black and white,
we shot
16
him
fire bomb
touch him nose.
Clad. Oh, that's definitely.
Shot down. Dead.
The meaning Draco, Michael Draco on them blood.
Dead.
They carry on the back, boy. You have tear, man. That one they look like Afghan.
Dead. Why?
Yeah, man, what is that man? Afghan, that man. The Afghan is hey.
Why? Cut it talk in a
Murder
murder
we enjoy.
Fuck it talk in a murder we
Enjoy.
enjoy.
Easy now, man. Well, I boss if you want liquor. Hello.
Dead. Why? Dead.
Why?
Rifle we
We
employ.
employ.
Dead girl and dead boy.
Boy, a dead boy. Woof.
World,
Boy.
the time has come to push the button. World,
Rifle. Bumbo cleat. I look like an idiot. Let's get it done. Yeah, man, gang, you don't know. Rifle we imply na your bomba na hey boy. Yeah, man. Yeah. Canicla, dead boy. MKS, me see why you requested that one, gang. Big up your damn self. You see me? Yeah, man, I gotta repeat, man. But like me I said, yeah, man, that's definitely gotta be a squash here. You see me I say? As well as they got similar videos going on, same setting, same type of theme, type of shit. You see me at the yard and the house with the crews them, with the thugs them. Yeah, I see him video the dog man. I use for each other man. No joke. Well, yeah, man, can me know anything about one in the comment section. If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support, making us at the dancing, you know. Also, let me know what your favorite part was, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Let's chop it up. Let's get a dialogue going in the comment section. You see me? Drop your request, you will get your shout out. All that good stuff, gang. As well as, you don't know, road to 10K, man. Do the right thing. Code is life. Hit the like and subscribe button. Help a boy out. Trying to hit it before the new year. Trying to hit it before my birthday. It'll be the best gift y'all can give me. You see me? I say no joke. Yeah, man. Back active, back going crazy. You see me? I say the grind don't stop. You see me? The next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.